Hey guys, it's Full Flopis here, back with another video. Welcome. So this is going to be a very interesting video also, because we're going to do Polkadot March 2021 analysis. Okay, so we're going to do price prediction, everything. Okay, and we're going to use this tool called token metrics. Okay, so token metrics, what it does is that it allows you to tap into the machine learning. Oh, okay, so you can utilize machine learning to see and to find more about tokens. This is very, it's at first I was like pretty skeptical about this, because of course it's not 100% like accurate. How can it be? It's not like a machine in the future, but what it does, it gives very good indicators on the about the coin, because at the current moment the market is very speculative. People like projects that don't have zero use case gain more traction, okay, just because of hype and FOMO. So that being said, those projects will go to zero. If you don't provide value, it will go to zero, okay? So what this software allows you to do is find the coins that have strong fundamentals and technology, because even if like Bitcoin goes down to $30,000, okay, if the fundamentals of the coin that you hold are very strong, then there's no point like selling, because you can be pretty sure that in the future it will increase price, because if it's solving a problem with the technology, and if the technology built the code what has been used created to create the token, if the code is very good, then there should be like no problems with it, as soon as like it all depends on the project, of course. So anyway, I just want to say that, because that is very interesting to me. That is very interesting to me. But let's go here. So let's check out, let's start with price predictions here. Okay, but what I like the best are, you know, the last ones, because they just show so much data. Here you can see some of the price prediction, and here you can see that actual price versus predicted price history. Here you can see that at the moment the actual price is pretty high compared to like what this machine has used past data to create this prediction that the price is going to go this way. Okay, but currently it's going to go this way, it seems. So it's very interesting to see, because in Bitcoin history March has always been like when we get some red. Okay, so I think it's once or twice in March it has been a profitable month for Bitcoin, but we're going to see what's going to happen now. I'm very interested to see how this will play out, because this machine learning will now suggest currently that Polkadot should be around some $25 range. Okay, so let's see if we go to those ranges, or do we just keep mooning. Okay, very interested to see. And currently the markets have started to plunge quite a bit. Okay, and yeah, let's see what's going to happen. But anyway, that is very short term. So let's look at the fundamentals. Let's look at the after looking at the short term. You can see here trader, which is short term, not the best for the short term, but investor fundamental score 84% for Polkadot. Very strong. This means that this project is very strong. The technology, the fundamentals, okay, are very strong here. Let me show you. So fundamentals: scarcity, fairly scarce, market standing, very good, development, very good, liquidity, very good, some improvements, of course, marketing, very excellent, reputation, excellent, team, excellent, security, not so much, but you know, you can see 84 points. I think that this is fairly good enough. This is very good enough, like a really that like a snap of a finger prediction. So if you want to come here and check your own bag, what token metrics said about your bag, definitely go to try this app software. You can find the link in description. You can get 10% off even from the trial. So there's like a little paid trial because this machine is so powerful. Okay, I understand that they don't want to give this for free, you know what I'm saying? So but anyway, so yeah, I definitely use this a lot these days. So fundamental score very high, and after this, if I discover the coin here, for example metrics, after that, if the fundamental score, I'm like, this is going to be interesting. Let's see why. So after that, I go look in depth on the project, like why it has fundamental score so high, and if it makes sense for me too, I think that is a very good indicator for me to do the investment. Also look at here, technology investor point mentality, 90%, 90%. Okay, crazy stuff. For short-term trades, not so best, but for long-term, very strong because the technology is very strong. Okay, you can come here and read even more data, but I'm not going to go into that in these videos. I want to make this like, you know, very fast and you know, get to the straight to the point with the bullshit type of videos. Okay, that's what I want to do here. Okay, I'm not here to waste your time. I'm here to give you very good ideas on how to look at coins. Okay, because think about it, there's 9,000 coins, and if you don't have any this kind of system on how to look at, like, what do they look, what do they are, what they do, so you have to use, well, internet, of course. You can find about these coins, but what I like is the token metrics is that before I start even looking more into depth in the coins, I can come here and come for a quick analysis. Like if the technical analysis for some coins shows like 10%, I'm not going to touch that coin. Like, never. I would never touch that coin, because if the technical analysis and, for example, technology is like 10%, that means that sucks. That means that sucks, absolutely sucks. So definitely I'm using this tool. Of course, it's just a tool. It's not like it's just a tool, okay, that I'm using all the time now. Okay, but here you can see also interesting things. You can see Bitcoin versus Polkadot. Okay, and it seems you can see here that, because if you wouldn't get better returns on Polkadot, you very preferably want to hold Bitcoin. Okay, you can find that here, and this is very great, because a lot of people would have just made more money if they just hold Bitcoin and not just trade like altcoins all the time and that stuff. Okay, some people would make it, but Polkadot here has made far better gains than Bitcoin, so definitely. Okay, so here you can cumulative return. Okay, so yeah, that being said, I think that the Polkadot for March price prediction, this machine here indicates that it's going to be $25 to $27. Okay, I think that if we really go aping this month, Polkadot could easily go to like $50, but currently it looks pretty bullish. The market bearish here, because now momentum start losing again, people start panic selling again. I think that now is the great time to buy. Okay, because I believe that after March, if you go look at Bitcoin halving, like how it's playing out after March, it should like really take off. Okay, so I think that this is going to be time for people to just, you know, buy the bags in, and then we are off to the races again. That's just my opinion. Could totally be like we start dying here slowly and go to almost zero again. That could happen too, but I do believe that we go a lot higher on this bull cycle. Yeah, I definitely believe that, because it just like, you know, retail has been buying cryptocurrencies for years now, but institutions are just now getting to the game, and as soon as they start buying it, and by the way, at the moment Bitcoin mining is not profitable currently, so people who are just basically just holding the Bitcoins, and yeah, I think that the scarce supply and demand will increase the price of Bitcoin, but I don't know if it's going to happen in March. Who knows? Because, and I'm saying that for this dot prediction video, because Bitcoin basically decides how markets go here. It started dropping, everything started dropping. Okay, so I really think that's so. But that's that. So yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, subscribe for more daily videos. You can find this this tool in the description. I also recommend you to sign up on Binance and Bitrue. Those are very good exchanges. Also KuCoin, because you definitely want to sign up on these exchanges, because when you find a gem, when you find that really good opportunity that you want to finally invest in, then you look at where the coin is, and it's always on the some exchange that you are not currently. But KuCoin, Binance, and Bitrue have all of those. They hold very good coins. Okay, so some of them like hold OG coins. KuCoin is very underground coin style. Also Bitrue, but Binance is just overall, it has everything. Okay, you might want to also just sign up there. And yeah, because that's just because you really want to get on these exchanges. Okay, but anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.